In this video, I will show you how to change your email address in Amazon app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead, simply open up your Amazon shopping app right here. So go ahead and open up your Amazon shopping app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon. Then go ahead and click on account. Then scroll down right here. And go ahead and click on login and security. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on edit email right here. Under the email section, simply click on edit. And here you go. Change your current email address. So what you want to do right here is to enter your new email address. Have you entered your new email address? Go ahead and click on change email address. A code will be sent to your new email address that you want to change to. Go ahead and open the Gmail account or whatever account you are using. Refresh the mail account. Then you have an Amazon verification code right here. Next thing you want to do is to click and hold down. And then make sure you simply copy the OTP. Then go back to your Amazon shopping app right here. Then you want to make sure you enter security code right here. And then go ahead and click on verify email address.